package and unboxing. Really should not have ordered what I did. Didn't really mean anything, but ordering from N2N. And based out of California, 2 items. Let's start with this. I'm actually trading up in size. I don't know if it's bad, but going up to large. Some of the N2N garments have been a bit tight lately, the thongs. They fit okay, but not comfortable for a long time. So I'm going to try a large. And I thought the design on this one was really cool. It does look very big. It's one of the more interesting designs. So kind of gray, navy blue, different shades of gray. So I thought the design was really neat. The material is different than what I thought. It's softer. I thought it was going to be a very synthetic feel, but no, it looks pretty cool, or it feels pretty cool. Kind of thin. It's unlined. That should be fun. I'm a bit concerned about the size. Large just kind of physically feels a bit big, but not bad. Okay, so that's that. And, well, before I move on, let's look at the tag a little bit more. Loungewear, N2N Bodywear, made in Los Angeles. And this one is large. 92% polyester and 8% spandex. Okay. I actually thought this one, probably should have read it a bit more, but more closer to the synthetic swimwear style. But this is, I would say this would not be great in the water. But pretty cool. I like the design. And then, so one of these here, this is a Raider Ultra Singlet in Navy. And I've been buying some more of these singlets or suits for exercise lately. They tend to be kind of popular. People seem to like the pictures. So I'll try out another one here. Very slick, slippery. Navy. And it's similar to what a previous one I got, but it has kind of white cuffs at the end. Mesh holes. It feels more stretchy than the other one. Also large. This would be my normal size, and these types of suits, I tend to go with my shirt size. Okay, active, N2N, 83% nylon, 17% spandex. Okay, so it's just kind of boxer brief, normal cut, and with the tank top. Kind of hard to get all of it in the screen here. Oh, it's like that, and this? No? Yes, maybe? There's something more normal underneath. Or nothing at all. What do you think? What's your vote? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's always appreciated. Leave a comment. Keep the channel interesting for me and you. Let me know if you have any questions. What do you most want to see worn? I'll leave you with that.